This is your figure 4 stretch. So we're gonna lie down, face up. Knees are gonna be bent. And let's start by stretching the right leg first. So you're gonna put your right ankle on top of your left thigh. And you want it pretty close to the knee. So not balancing on top of the knee, but down a little bit. And then there's a couple ways that you can do this. So you can take the top leg and pull it up towards your chest. So you're trying to keep the lower leg perpendicular to your torso. So you're trying to keep this nice and horizontal here as much as you can, pulling it up towards your chest. There's one version of the figure 4 stretch. Another version that's a bit more intense is I can take my hands and reach behind my left thigh and pull the whole thing up towards my chest. So in this position, you know, your left leg is doing a pretty good job at keeping the right lower leg perpendicular to your chest. So you don't really need to pay as much attention to that in this version as the first one that we went over. A bonus of this position is my right elbow here, I've got some leverage where I can hold everything up as far as I can go here until I feel a good stretch on my hip, but I can use my right elbow to push my right knee that direction a little bit. And that may intensify the stretch at the right hip a little. And another way that you can intensify this a little bit, if let's say you're holding this for 20 seconds and you feel a nice melting, a nice loosening of soft tissue across the right hip and you want to intensify it, allow yourself to roll a little bit to the left. So the legs are rolling a little to the left here, and then you'll feel things intensify across the right hip. And then that's just where you hold it. And then you can relax. So to see this with the opposite leg, I'm going to take my left ankle, put it on the distal right thigh. I can do this a couple different ways. As we reviewed before, you can pull this top leg up towards your chest. You're trying to keep it perpendicular to your torso as much as you can, and you're stopping when you feel a good stretch on the left hip. If you want something a little bit more intense, I can reach behind my right thigh and pull the whole thing up. Here I've got my left elbow that I can use to push that left leg out a little bit more. It'll be a little bit of a different sensation for you. And then if I want to intensify it a little bit, now I'm going to allow my legs to kind of roll a little bit to the right. And you don't have to roll very far, and you will definitely feel a more intense stretch on the back of the left hip. And that is your figure 4 stretch.